Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Your account must have progressed past the tutorial and linked any external platform to unlock all key sources. Next, open the Events tab and the In-Game Store. Those are primary sources of Rift keys. While you're there, claim any uncollected daily login rewards because keys sometimes appear as timed bonuses. Once done, enable notifications and sync your social accounts so future drops aren't missed. This saves time and ensures you don't lose limited-time key opportunities. You now focus on systematic acquisition. Prioritize event objectives and milestone tasks because they reliably yield Rift keys when completed. Simultaneously, invest progress into the battle pass up to reward tiers that include keys. This is often the most efficient grind. Also, watch official streams and follow partner promotions. Redeemable codes frequently grant keys or key fragments. Make sure to balance time-limited events versus daily missions, so you maximize guaranteed rewards rather than chasing low-probability drops. You wrap up by claiming every earned reward, open both inbox and mailbox tabs, and confirm nothing expired. Event timers matter. Then combine any key fragments and use full keys immediately to enter the Rift while the content is live. If keys fail to appear, first reconfirm your account links and server region because mismatches block rewards. If that doesn't fix it, gather screenshots and logs and contact support with clear timestamps. This speeds up recovery and prevents future loss of Rift keys.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.